matching in the EVA foam material industry. It should be based on the contents of the database gradient table we provide. Create gradient levels for various basic colors, and input them into the color matching system to complete database establishment. Now let's start the color matching operation. The first step is to add a new formula. Measure the target color using an colorimeter. Then select the corresponding colorant database. Fill in the relevant information such as the color difference control range according to the actual situation. The color formula of the target color has been calculated. Weighing materials according to the calculated target color formula. Mix the materials evenly with a roller. Then heat, cure and shape the sample by a plate vulcanizing press. Final vulcanization and settings. Compare color formula samples with standard samples. Measure the color deviation of the sample with the colorimeter. Finally, proceed to the workshop mass production stage. Let's take a look at the comparison between some produced samples and the standard samples. Welcome to call our customer service hotline for more information.